everyone, Teacher Raylyn here. Today I'm going to do a two-part painting exercise. Our finished project is going to be a rainbow, but we're going to talk about color theory and kind of the process of getting the colors that you need before you begin. So, as you can see here, we have our three primary colors. Now, colors started way back when people began painting. They would use pigments of rocks or minerals, earthly materials to make these pigments. And these were your three primary. So primary means first colors. So these are your primary basic first colors. And what you're going to do is you're going to use these. We're going to spread them out a little so we have some mixing room. We got yellow, red, and blue. Okay, so I'm going to use a paintbrush, just a regular paintbrush. I have extras here. We're going to use the paintbrush and we're going to color mix. So these are your primary, these are your first colors. Primary means one, okay, one. So what we do to get our secondary is simple. When you see that I spread them out, there's blue space, red space, yellow, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to spread our colors out a little. I'm going to put a little yellow over here, and I'm going to put a little yellow over there, okay? So once we get that, I'm going to change my brush, okay? I have extras here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull a little red over to this one, and I'm going to put a little red over there, not mixing it with my brush just yet because I need some to stay in the primary color. Okay, and then here's what I'm going to use for mixing. I'm going to take this blue. First I'm going to move it over there to join with the red. A lot of my students already know what colors these make, but they're fun if you don't know. Let's come up with it together. I'm going to use this one for the yellow and blue. So we got yellow and blue, and let's see what happens when they mix. You should start to see a color changing. Yeah, it really depends on how much blue that you add, because the more blue, the darker, the more yellow, the lighter. But you can see green start to form. That's right, green. Excellent. So we'll have that. I still have my primary yellow brush, right? Here's my primary yellow brush. I'm going to pull over a little more yellow because I don't really like the color of that green. So I'm going to add a little more yellow. So here I go, pulling the yellow over. Ooh, we could probably get some more out of the tube. Okay, there we go. Alright, I'll use this to pull it down like that. Okay, there's a little bit more of a green tone. Let's see. Like I said, adding a little, I'm just going to add a little there. Okay, so I'm going to need more for my rainbow painting. So here we go. There's more of the kind of green I was looking for. But you can see that blue and yellow make green. And it just depends on how much blue or how much yellow you choose to add. I'm happy with that green. Your green might look a little different. Okay, so now I'm going to get another clean brush. Okay, this is going to be another mixing of a new color. So let's see what it is. So I'm going to use red and yellow for this one. We'll mix that. Again, I might want to add a little more yellow to it because red is a dark color. Red is very bright, it's very warm, it's very potent of a color. So there's a little yellow. We'll mix that up. That's more of the orange that I'm looking for. Okay, great, there we go. So now we have our three primaries, yellow, red, and blue. And so far we have two secondaries. That is green and orange. Okay, going on to another clean brush. It's good to always have extra brushes. This one we're going to mix the red and the blue. Let's see what happens. Red and blue. You can already see the violet or purple coming through there. Okay, that looks good. Alright, look at that. So, I don't want to add any other color, more of any color to that one. I like the tone that one's got. It came out pretty good. We zoom out a little, you can see we have our three primaries, blue, red, yellow, and our three secondaries. There are three secondaries, green, orange, and purple. So that is color theory. You just made a color wheel with me. And now we can get started on a rainbow.